Hey everybody, I just am about to go wash my hair. I'm gonna do a little ACV rinse today. I just wanted to kind of show how I do that. So I use the BRAGG organic raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and I just get some distilled water, and I'm going to put half of this is going to be the apple cider vinegar and the other half is going to be water. Alright, so this is just a little old container that I have. I recycle stuff because I don't want to go out and buy no new containers, so I just fill it halfway up. I use my little funnel. Also, I wanted to note, I do not like the smell of apple cider vinegar at all. I think it stinks. That's just me. I do not like the smell of it. I'm gonna add a little something so I can deal with it in the shower. I'm sorry, I am trying to record and hold this at the same time because I didn't want to get my tripod, but then I just do the other half with water. Leave a little bit of room so you can shake it up. Of course, you gotta have some space to shake it up. And then I'm gonna just get some, I usually would do lavender. I don't know where my lavender's at. Yeah, the rosemary's not bad, so I'm just do rosemary. Some rosemary drops in here for that stank smell that I can't stand. So I just did like 10 drops of the rosemary, and then I just put my lid on it. Give a little shake, a little shaky shake, and that's it. And then I just pour this on my hair while I'm in the shower, and then I let it sit for maybe about 10 minutes with my little shower cap on, and then I just rinse it out. And then from there I put on my deep conditioner, but I'm going to put some deep conditioner on in the shower today so y'all can kind of see how I do that with my twists. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave me a like down below. Comment on the video. Let me know what you thought. I know this is short and sweet, but I just want to get straight to the point. As I always say, it don't cost to help the boss, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button to be here whenever I post some new content. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.